everyone. So I got a question on how much amino acids or how many servings do I take? So I want to talk about getting complete protein. So I'll use my toys again that I stole from the neighbor. So this would represent a protein chain, which is, well, it's an amino acid chain and it makes up a protein. Each bead is a singular amino acid. Now, in a formula, like I would take 3 or 4 servings of, say, this perfect amino. Let me tell you what I like about that first. I'm not affiliated with any of these products, by the way. Other products, you can see the ones that I'm affiliated with in the description. But this is an essential amino acid product. It has all the essential amino acids in the view of the makers of this, but it only has 8. Most experts say there's 9. I've even heard there's 10. The reason I think that they are saying in this product there's only 8 essential amino acids, it's missing histidine, because I think your body can make some histidine, but it can't make enough. So I don't understand why they didn't just put it in there. So I've looked at a lot of different singular amino acid, essential amino acid formulas. So to answer that question, how much do I take? This would be a good strategy. I'm going to take 3 or 4 servings of this. Now, in the morning, I might take 1 serving of this with a serving of this. Why? The reason I like this product is because it doesn't have any bad sweeteners, artificial sweeteners. This has no taste. So I can take a serving of this and a serving of this, and I won't taste this because this doesn't taste good. It smells bad, and that's just me. I don't like it. But when I mix it in with the other, I can't taste it. So I've got a double serving of essential amino acids. However, they don't say what ratio those amino acids are in. So again, this first thing in the morning. So I'll take something like this, or something like this, or I'm not to the extreme, but well, maybe to the extreme, but I'm kind of a more is better guy and I can afford it. So why do I take something like these? Well, because these are not heavy on leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are the branched chain aminos. These formulas are. So a lot of these formulas, I've read a lot of them on the essential amino acids, the powder, they usually have maybe 30 or 40 milligrams, or what is it? 30 or 40 milligrams, which is not a lot compared to the leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Those leucine's the most important to activate the protein synthesis. But these formulas, and it doesn't have to be these, they have 50 to 70 grams of the lower, I can't call them lower, they're essential, but they're the amino acids that are always in smaller amounts in the other formulas. Because these guys right here, they don't put as much leucine and isoleucine and valine. They kind of have an even amount of all the essential amino acids. So what I'm doing when I mix it this way is I'm bringing up those lesser amino acids like histidine, methionine, and ones that are in smaller amounts in these formulas. I'm bringing it up. Why do I do that? The reason I do that is because I want my amino acid pool to be full like this of all the different essential amino acids so that my body can pick and choose and make the protein chains that it wants to make. It wants to make muscle. It wants to make enzymes. Amino acids do many, many things in your body. And it's something that I've been into these amino acid things since I was a teenager. And that's why I do it. I want my body to be able to make the change that it wants to make. And if it doesn't have enough of one thing, it can't complete the project that it might want to make. So hopefully that makes sense from my very, very layman's position. If you guys have questions, put them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. I'm always relating things to how it works for me. And I'm surprised at a lot of the comments. A lot of these studies and researchers, they say this, this, this. Well, everyone's not the same. And I'm going to do some more videos on some surprising comments that I've got about, well, this example, creatine does this to me. Not a good thing. Well, creatine is one of the most studied and safest supplements on the market, but that doesn't mean it's that way for everybody. So you guys got to do what I emphasize all the time, and that is figure your own body out. But this is something that I do with the amino acids. It works great for me. I'm as lean as I've ever been, probably. I'm 61 years old, and it works for me. So everything I talk about is relating to how I've experimented on my body, what works for me, and I try not to judge or be closed-minded about how things work for someone else. Someone's diet who absolutely doesn't work for me, well, I'm open-minded about it, and if they say it works, I want to hear about it. That stuff fascinates me, how something would work for somebody else that maybe doesn't work for me. So put those comments in down in the comment section, if you would, and let other people read them. If you guys like this stuff, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.